Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to learn how to rename a saved cycle on our Boost 2 Plus Flex centrifuge. How to name a saved cycle on the Boost 2 Plus Flex. A saved cycle is a preset combination of RPM, time, and break value that's saved into your centrifuge's memory for easier recall at a later time. Your Boost 2 Plus Flex can hold up to 10 of these presets. Now, by default, your centrifuge will name them MEM1, MEM2, etc. in the order that they were created. Today, we're going to see how to rename that default into something that has a little bit more meaning for you and the cycles that you spin. Now, as an example, we're going to change MEM1 to PREP, but you can use this same operation to change that name to anything that you would like. As a quick reminder, your centrifuge has all of its controls right here on the front panel label. Today we're going to focus on the cycle button, the menu button, and the start and stop buttons, plus the up and down arrows next to the RPM screen. We'll be using all of these to rename our saved cycle. We're going to start by making sure that the saved cycle we want to rename is the selected cycle. To do that, use the cycle button to navigate through saved cycles until your desired cycle is showing up. Since we're going to be adjusting MEM1, we're going to hit that cycle button until MEM1 shows in our RPM screen. Next, press and hold the cycle button. You'll be able to tell that you've entered cycle edit mode once the number next to that cycle button starts flashing. Then press the menu button. This will activate the advanced menu. You will see break displayed in that RPM screen. That is one of several different options here in the advanced menu. We're going to use the up arrow to navigate until that cycle name is displayed again. Since we're working with MEM1, we're going to see MEM1 displayed in that window. Once we have that displayed, go ahead and press the Start button. This will activate the name edit mode, and you will see a star appear on the character of the name that you are editing. Once that star has appeared, you can use the up and down arrows next to that RPM window to scroll through all of the various characters that are available to you for naming. Again, we're going to be adjusting MEM1 to PREP instead. So we're going to go ahead and adjust that first character to a P now. Once we've got that first character adjusted, we're going to use the Stop Unlock button to navigate to the right and adjust our second character. If we wanted to adjust that first character again, we could use the Start button to move left. As in the first one, we're going to be using the up and down arrows to adjust the character that we have selected. We're going to repeat this process until we have PREP showing in that RPM screen. Once we've got our desired cycle name showing in that RPM screen, press the menu button again to save and exit, and then press Cycle to exit the cycle editing menu. Congratulations, your cycle is renamed. The centrifuge will automatically select that cycle, so you'll see it with its new name in the RPM screen. Keep in mind that cycle name will alternate display with the RPM selected for that cycle. If you'd like to run your newly named cycle now, you can do so by closing and latching your lid and then pressing the Start button. The centrifuge will begin to speed up until it reaches the RPM selected for your cycle. Once it does, it will begin counting down the selected time. Once it's finished, it will begin slowing down, applying the brake as you had set it. Once it reaches a complete stop, the centrifuge will beep and the lid lights will flash to let you know it's done. And that's all there is to it. If you have any other questions, you can contact Drucker Diagnostics and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.